Hello, myself Alok Kumar and I am from group 182A11. My topic is biochemistry of the liver. So let's start. So this is the structure of liver where we can see the portal vein, central vein, the sinusoids, the bile canaliculi, the bile duct and the hepatic artery. So the function of the liver where we can see the several steps where the blood goes into the liver and performs several functions, then supplies to the vena cava, and it also do the detoxification biotransformation. We'll further discuss about it. So bile metabolism, in which it performs several metabolism like lipid metabolism, carbohydrate metabolism, amino acid metabolism, amino acid urea, the biotransformations and others. So let's discuss about the liver function. So first, liver, it is the main organ which is responsible for the dividing of nutritional substance in which are organisms, the for example the glucose, triglycerides and the ketone bodies. The second one is the hepatocytes, which synthesize a lot of the blood plasma protein and the lipoproteins and the low weight bioactive substances like creatine to 525 oxysterol in cholesterol. Third one is the synthesis of urea, that is the final product of nitrogen metabolism, and it also takes place in the liver. The fourth one is the liver synthesis, which bile acid and excrete a bile into intestinal tract, and this process plays a very important role in lipid digestion and excretions of the cholesterol and some product of metabolism in intestine. The fifth one is liver plays a big disintoxication role, inactivates the endogenic and exogenic substance, the drugs, some hormones, different toxins. And the sixth one is the liver is a depot for iron, some another metal, vitamins A, D, E, B12 and the folic acid. Now there is the two stages, absorptive stage and the post absorptive stage. As we can see, in absorptive stage the whole glucose, amino acid or fat which coming from the intestine goes to the several parts of our body like heart, nervous tissue and the adipose tissue, and it's stored here. This is the absorptive stage, and the post absorptive stage we can see also here. Now the role of liver in carbohydrate metabolism. So the role is from intestine, glucose pass into the liver where the most part of it undergone to phosphorylation, glucose 6 phosphate formed in result of this reaction, which catalyzed by two enzymes, the hexokinase and the glucokinase. Now the glucose 6 phosphate, which is a key product of carbohydrate metabolism in the liver, and this substance can metabolize into different ways which depends of livers and whole organism necessities. Now the fate of the glucose molecule in the cell. First, when glucose is transformed into the glucose 6 phosphate, then it has three ways, whether it transform into the glycogen, then pyruvate or ribose. When it transform into glycogen, they are called glycogenesis, which is the synthesis of glycogen, which is the activated in well-fed resting stage. And also when glycogen is transformed into glucose 6 phosphate, called also reverse transformation, it's called glycogenolysis. It's called degradation of the glycogen. When glucose 6 phosphate transform into the pyruvate, then it is called gluconeogenesis, which is activated if glucose is required. And when a reverse process occur, when pyruvate transform into the glucose 6 phosphate, which is called a glycolysis, which is the activated if energy is required. When glucose 6 phosphate transform into the ribose NADPH, it is called a pentose phosphate pathway, which supplies the NADPH for the lipid synthesis and pentose for nucleic acid synthesis. Now the synthesis of glycogen, which content in the liver is 70 to 100 gram. Glucose 6 phosphate, which catalyzes dephosphorylations of glucose 6 phosphate and formation of free glucose. And excess of the glucose 6 phosphate, which is not used for the synthesis of glycogen, will follow to free glucose. Glucose 6 phosphate decomposed to water and the carbon dioxide and free energy for hepatocyte form. Now the part of the glucose 6 phosphate will oxidized in pentophosphate cycle, and the hepatocytes contain full set of gluconeogenesis necessary enzyme. So in liver, glucose can be formed from lactate, pyruvate, amino acid and glycerol, and the gluconeogenesis from lactate takes place during the intensive muscular work. Lactate formed from the glucose in muscles transported to the liver, and the new glucose formed and transported to